It's Hope from Cedarholic Gardens, and apparently today's mail call day. I got a bunch of packages, and this one's a surprise. This one may be something I ordered. It may be a gift. I have no idea, but we are going to find out together right now because I don't recognize the address. I don't recognize the company, and I don't remember ordering this, and it's from the United Kingdom. So possibly when I get it open, I'll be like, ah, I remember this. Or I'll be like, what on earth? So let's see. I remember this. This I ordered for my daughter. Camera girl's name is Sarah. This is a pillowcase, and she puts little throw pillows on her bed. She doesn't do a lot of stuff on her walls, but this she will like. So now I remember. So that's a little gift for Camera Girl. And I do remember this now. This, I believe, I ordered from Tammy's Homestead Life Etsy store. No, I'm not Tammy. From Homestead Corners from Ginny. So thank you, Jen. That's all for this one, and we'll move on to the next one. See you guys next time.